I woke up not too long ago. My grandma just made me some pickled breadfruit. It's so delicious. This is the first time I've ever had it. So I'm just making some coconut milk. This is fresh brown coconut chopped up. I've already made some, as you can see. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I do to make it. So I'm going to use about a cup of the chopped coconut, and then I'm going to add some water up to basically where it says max. So it's about just under 900 mils of water. There you go. Pop the lid on. Now I'm going to blend it. So now I've got my sieve and my bowl, and then I'm just going to pour it in the bowl. So this is how it looks, and that is the milk. So what I'm going to save this for, I'm basically making porridge, and I'm making the milk for the porridge. But I'm going to save the desiccated coconut because I have loads of it, and put some in the porridge, and also make some cookies. I used 2 brown coconuts to do this. So now I'm just going to put the milk into a bottle. I've got a sieve at the top. And that is, I think this is a litre. Or 2 litres. Yeah. What one's that?
Here we go. Smell it. It make a nice tea.
It smells like licorice.
Yeah.
And that's the lemongrass.
Yeah, there.
That white sorrel.
Yeah.
Are these peppers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, some here.
I know my leaves now.
These are the season one. These are not Scotch bonnet. You
Yeah,
see
Scotch
them?
bonnet, yeah.
There.
That's the Scotch bonnet one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And this is another one, but this is the black.
Yeah, I saw
You see?
these when I was lying down.
Look. It's got rosemary, you know.
Yeah, I like rosemary.
I got, you want to see how much I got?
Yeah, you got loads.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rosemary.
That's marjoram. I think it's herbs. But that's only we keep now. Let's come on. You know it's celery, right?
Yeah.
Celery. This is Chinese cabbage, you know that. And that's celery.
You got a lot of celery.
Yeah. I got a whole pot, but this is scallion. And beans. Oh, I got beans to bake. I got that. So 3 leaves. This is mint.
Oh, I didn't know you had mint.
Yeah. I got some everything.
It smells nice.
And this is sage. I gotta put some in a pot. I'm trying to get them.
Oh, yeah.
You smell it?
It smells strong. Smells like marijuana. Smells like marijuana. What's this kale? That.
No, there's collard greens. You see tongue, right? You see tongue. You pick some.
No, I did see some though, but we should pick
It's
some.
there.
Yeah.
Look. There's the blue work in here.
Oh.
And collard greens. Look, the red one. I had a lot of the red one. Because it's unusual, you don't see the red one. It's going back now. See? It was up to here. Look, they coming. Fresh tongue. You know, okra.
Yeah. Where's the okra? Oh, here. I've
Yeah.
never seen an okra tree plant though.
No?
No.
No, you could plant them in your garden in England.
What's this?
Raleigh stone. I have two colors, the green. It's mixed seasoning.
Oh yeah, that's very strong.
There's the green one. This is the white one. Here's the lemongrass. This is garden balsam. This is make a nice tea too.
Yeah, that smells nice.
This is also a basil.
Yeah, that's nice.
They make a nice tea. I get a guy over there with that big one. Let me show you the tea.
That's the breadfruit tree.
Lily for life.
Ah, okay.
Aloes in there too.
Oh, I didn't know it was here. Yeah, oh, there's one there.
Huh?
There's one there.
One.
Yeah.
You know, I had one there that grew like my head. Like a face. I didn't send it to you.
No, you have to show me.
I think it should be on the phone. If I didn't see it.
I woke up not too long ago. My grandma just made me some pickled breadfruit. It's so delicious. This is the first time I've ever had it. Oh, so good. Get it close.